How to back up and restore your 2FA accounts. With Fantom Mainnet in Shield app, you can choose backup or restore option from your 2FA account. Let's start with backup option. Choose Fantom Mainnet option from Data Backup tab. To enable your Fantom Mainnet feature, you need to pay $10 equivalent Fantom token fee for lifetime subscription. Read important note carefully. Check the box to agree that you have read all the above note carefully. Click the Send button. Confirm to continue transaction process. Fantom will be deducted from your account successfully. Now, you are able to use Fantom Mainnet feature. You can choose any of the encryption tier as strong security reasons. Choose accounts, what you want to back up on Fantom Mainnet, and click on Backup button. Confirm to continue backup process on Fantom Mainnet. Congrats! Your accounts are now back up on Fantom Mainnet with multi-tier encryption hash. Now let's start with Restore option. Choose Fantom Mainnet option from Data Restore tab. All of your backup points will be restored from Live Fantom Mainnet to your device. Choose Backups, what you want to restore on your device. Click to Restore button. All of your backup points will be decrypted using multi-tier decryption hash. Then alert will be displayed for any duplication or failure process during restore process. Congrats! Your accounts are now restored on Fantom Mainnet with multi-tier encryption hash.